How common is barking in patients with rabies?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's discussion on a fascinating, albeit somewhat unsettling topic, rabies and its manifestations. One of the questions often asked is, how common is barking in patients with rabies? It's a curiosity that we'll dive into, shedding light on this peculiar behavior.
What is rabies?
Rabies is a deadly viral infection that primarily spreads through the bite or scratch of an infected animal. The rabies virus affects the central nervous system, leading to a series of severe neurological symptoms. Though humans can contract rabies, the disease is much more common in animals, especially wild mammals like raccoons, skunks, bats, and foxes.
Is barking common in rabies?
It's a common misconception that patients with rabies, especially humans, would exhibit barking behavior. This misunderstanding likely originates from the term rabies, which comes from a Latin word that means to rage or rave. In actuality, while rabies can indeed cause behavioral changes, barking is not a common symptom in humans or non-canine animals. In dogs, rabies might lead to uncharacteristic aggression, which could result in increased barking. But it's important to note that this is not a guaranteed symptom, even in dogs.
What are the actual symptoms of rabies?
The symptoms of rabies in both humans and animals can be divided into two phases, prodromal and excitative. The prodromal phase, the initial stage of rabies, presents symptoms such as fever, vomiting, loss of appetite, and subtle changes in behavior. The excitative phase, often referred to as furious rabies, includes symptoms like aggressive behavior, hallucinations, hypersensitivity to light and sound, and excessive salivation. In this phase, animals or humans might make unusual noises, but it's not accurate to specifically classify this as barking. In conclusion, while rabies can cause severe behavioral changes and symptoms, barking is not a common or defining symptom of the disease, even in animals that typically bark. If you suspect rabies in a pet or a wild animal, it's crucial to seek professional help immediately due to the serious, often fatal nature of the disease. Always remember, rabies is almost 100% preventable with timely vaccination and post-exposure prophylaxis. So, stay safe, and keep your pets safe too.